Hey, on the Butch and Parrot show, it's me, Butch and Parrot. Hi, guys. We would want to, if we could give us more views and more subscribers. And what's your name, Gus? Or what's your name over there? We will show you that the whole way. I'll show you his name. And we would want to show you him. What's your name? Goose. What's your first thing to do, Gus? Yeah, what's your favorite thing to do, Gus? Yeah. Game in and eat food. That's nice. It is. Bye on the Butch and Parrot show. Bye. Well, wait. Cock. We were just pranking you guys. Bye. See you on the next video.